humble themselves and pray. If they seek my face and humble themselves and turn from their wicked ways, I will hear from heaven.
It's my pleasure to introduce to you the following persons, vocal persons of that, because they will be one.
I will hear from heaven and heal their land. Lord, heal our land. Father, heal our land. Hear our cry.
Nag-enjoy mo sa first lecture, introduction of Ramona.
Lord, and heal our land. Forgive our sin and heal our broken land. Lord, we bow our knee, we humble ourselves and pray. Lord, we seek your face. We humble ourselves and turn from our wicked ways. Father, in your mercy, forgive our sin. Father, in your mercy, come heal our land. Lord, heal our land. Father, heal our land. Hear our cry and turn our nation back to you. Lord, heal our land. Hear us, O Lord, and heal our land. Forgive our sin and heal our broken land. Lord, heal our land. Father, heal our land. Hear our cry and turn our
Only one life.
nation back.
So soon, it will pass. Ano pa sa balon sila? May isa lang kita kakabuhi. Kaya kining kabuhi ngayon, ang imo kabuhi. Naman subong ang imo kabuhi, hindi man na lang sa pag-personality ng kwarta, hindi niya kabuhi. Ginsakripisyo niya ang pugtungan na para sa imo kagsabot. Lamang mapakita na may value ang imo kabuhi. Kaya gusto ang Diyos, ikaw kagabaw dito magkanto sa impyerno. Nagkinlansang sa cross na patay, ilubong kang nabanaw, pasos, kung batunan mo siya. Dari sa itong ito nga, sino gusto magpatong kay Kristo, pakibayo si mga mo, sampai ikaw na naluto sino ulo, yung sino mata, sino nagpagpagpatong kay Jesus. Sige, taasan mo kami, hindi mo makita. Ako na magpatong kay Kristo, nagpagpatong sa kapag iba. Sino magpatong kay Kristo?
Our sin and heal our broken land. Lord, we bow our knee, we humble ourselves and pray. Lord, we seek your face, we humble ourselves and turn from our wicked ways. Father, in your mercy, forgive.
Thank you so much for the great event in the life of our students here, as well as the school in general. We're very much impressed of this program. It's more of a brainstorming for our students, as well as for our teachers, man. And the scene Jesus Christ is more of, we were moved to tears because we are very much touched the way Jesus Christ was nailed to the cross. We have seen many of this kind, but this time it's different. It's different. We have many symposiums that we have attended of this kind also, but this one is we are very much amazed of the lecturers and everything. Again,
thank you sa pagkanto ninyo diri kay natandogin ninyo ang among telepusoon na nakahatag sa amon isang importante nga bagay. At mandigin namon kamo maripatan sa pagtudlo ninyo sa maayo sa amon. Damas naman. Thank you, good sir, sa pag-atin ninyo. Itani, ang mga students, madali sa paano yan, maging maayo na sila at maging kanilina na batasan, maging maayo na sa mga teacher nila. Muna lang, sir, thank you.
Hear our cry and heal our broken